To make a half square triangle, it's fairly simple. You need 2 pieces of fabric that are cut into squares. For this project, I'm doing 5-inch squares. Place one facing up with the right side facing up, and then you put the other piece of fabric on top with the right side facing down. Next, you're going to take a straight edge and place it from corner to corner and draw a line with a pencil. This is the line you're going to use for your stitching. All right, we're going to use this line that we drew and sew 1/4 inch away from it on both sides. Next, we're going to cut along the pencil line that we drew to separate it into our 2 half square triangles. So all that's left to do now is just press it in place. So I like to press the fabric towards the darker side, then it's less visible from the front. So just do a quick press, and same on the other side. And repeat with your other triangle.